If your gut feels slow, heavy, and perpetually unfinished, hear this. You likely don't need a drastic cleanse. You need to fix your night shift. Your body has a built in nocturnal cleaning cycle designed to clear waste and reset your gut by morning. But this cycle needs the right signal to start, a signal most people never send. What I'm sharing is not another laxative, detox, or harsh purge. It's the opposite. It's about working with your body's natural rhythm, not against it. By sending one simple signal before bed, you can help your gut flush out waste while you sleep, leading to a lighter, clearer morning. Why does this waste build up? During the day, your gut digests. At night, it's supposed to clean, move leftover stool, release trapped gas, calm inflammation, and reset its muscles. But stress, late meals, and poor signaling shut this down. The waste stagnates. That's where the right night drink comes in. It's not about force. It's about sending a precise calming signal that tells your gut it's time to do its job. Stay with me. The last drink I'll show you is especially powerful after 50 when digestion naturally slows and needs smarter support. How a simple night drink can facilitate this process. The right pre sleep beverage acts as a strategic nudge. It can help relax the smooth muscles of the intestines, reducing spasmodic tightness that blocks flow, lessen gas pressure by encouraging its natural release, support the gentle, coordinated movement of waste material, and contribute to a more complete and comfortable bowel movement in the morning. This is not about causing urgency or diarrhea. It's about creating the ideal internal conditions for your body's own quiet clearance process to unfold efficiently. One quick pause. 99% of you watching are not subscribed. If you want these gentle, effective solutions, please help us reach 50,000 subscribers this month. Your subscription and like are the best way to support this channel. Thank you. Now to the first drink. Drink number one, fennel seed tea, the gas release and motility support. For centuries, fennel seed has been a cornerstone of herbal medicine for digestive complaints, and for good reason. It's a potent carminative, meaning it helps break up and expel trapped intestinal gas. Reducing this internal gas pressure is crucial. It removes a physical obstacle that can block the forward movement of stool. Less pressure means an easier, more natural path for waste. How to prepare. Take 1 teaspoon of lightly crushed fennel seeds. Crushing them releases the volatile oils. Place them in a cup and pour over 1 cup of freshly boiled water. Cover the cup and let it steep for a full 10 minutes. Strain out the seeds and drink the warm, subtly licorice flavored tea about 30 minutes before bed. This simple ritual can significantly reduce nighttime and morning bloating, creating the space needed for waste to move. This is gentle and effective, but if the issue is more about a tense, wired gut, we need to address the nervous system directly. Drink number two, chamomile and glycine, the nervous system. Relaxation signal. Your gut is directly wired to your brain via the enteric nervous system and the vagus nerve. When your mind is stressed or your body is tense, this is communicated directly to your intestines, telling them to clench up and halt non-essential processes like waste clearance. Chamomile is a gentle nervine that soothes this communication line. Glycine is a calming amino acid that acts as an inhibitory neurotransmitter, promoting relaxation throughout the body. How to prepare. Brew a strong cup of chamomile tea. If you wish to enhance the effect, stir in 1 to 2 grams, about 1/4 teaspoon, of glycine powder until dissolved. Sip this warm, fragrant drink slowly, 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. This combination sends a powerful message of safety and relaxation to your gut nerves, reducing nighttime spasms and supporting the coordinated muscle movements necessary for proper clearance. It's why digestion often improves on vacation. The nervous system is calm. Now let's address a more physical barrier: lack of lubrication. Drink number three: pure aloe vera juice, gentle internal lubrication. When used correctly in small doses, pure inner leaf aloe vera juice, not gel or laxative focused whole leaf juice, acts as a gentle demulcent. It can help soothe the gut lining and provide subtle lubrication to the stool, making its passage smoother and less straining. This is not about stimulant anthraquinones, which are removed in quality inner leaf juice. It's about creating a less frictional environment. How to use: choose a high quality purified inner leaf aloe vera juice. Measure 1 to 2 tablespoons and mix it into a small glass of water. Drink this about an hour before bed. Crucially, avoid high doses as they can have the opposite irritating effect. This small amount supports comfort and ease of movement without any stimulating action. But for a system that feels deeply stuck, sometimes the signal needs to be more fundamental. Drink number four: warm, plain bone or vegetable broth, the movement and repair signal. This is the secret weapon for the senior gut. A warm, savory broth rich in amino acids like glycine, proline, and glutamine serves a dual purpose. First, the warmth and specific proteins can gently stimulate digestive motility through hormonal pathways. Second, and more importantly, these amino acids are the building blocks your body uses overnight to repair the gut lining. A healthier, less inflamed gut lining functions more efficiently. The simplicity is key. This is not a meal. How to use: heat 1/2 to 1 cup of plain, clear bone broth, chicken or beef, or a deeply simmered vegetable broth. It should have no noodles, vegetables, or chunks, just the liquid. Sip it slowly, like a tea, 45 to 60 minutes before sleep. This provides direct material for repair and sends a signal of nourishment that supports the gut's overnight reset, often leading to less heaviness and more complete elimination in the morning. Now, for the fifth and most strategic drink, the one that ties everything together. Drink number five: warm water with a pinch of high quality salt, the hydration and electrolyte signal. This may seem too simple, but its power is in physiology, not complexity. After 50, the body's ability to manage fluid and electrolyte balance can become less precise. A pinch of mineral rich salt, like Himalayan pink salt or Celtic sea salt, in warm water creates a mild isotonic solution. This helps the body retain and distribute water more effectively inside the digestive tract rather than having it pass straight through to the kidneys. Proper hydration at the colon level is the single most important factor for softening stool and allowing it to move. This drink primes the system for all the others. How to use: add a small pinch, literally 2 to 3 crystals, of high quality mineral salt to a glass of warm water. Stir until dissolved. Drink this about 60 minutes before bed. Separate from other drinks. It's the foundational step that ensures everything else has the fluid environment it needs to work. Important warning: this is about support, not force. Do not mix all these drinks together in one night thinking it will work better. This will confuse your system and can cause discomfort. Do not use large amounts, especially of aloe vera. Do not expect dramatic, instant purging. The goal is subtle, cumulative improvement, a gentle assist, not a takeover. Why this leads to a clearer feeling. By morning, overnight, with the right support, a cascade of positive events occurs. Intestinal muscles relax out of their tense holding patterns. Trapped gas is gently released. The gradual, steady pressure of peristalsis shifts waste downward, and the entire system gets a chance to reset itself. By the time you wake, the preparatory work is done, often resulting in a more prompt, comfortable, and complete bowel movement. You feel lighter because the system has actually completed its clearance cycle. The most common mistake that sabotages everything: eating late at night, consuming calories within 2 to 3 hours of bed, forces your gut to stay in active digestion mode, using its energy and resources to process new food instead of performing its vital cleanup duties. For any of these drinks to work optimally, they must be consumed on an empty stomach, separate from your last meal by at least 90 minutes. Your simple action plan for tonight is this: review these 5 options. Choose the one that most closely matches your primary sensation. If it's gas and bloating, choose fennel. For stress and tension, choose chamomile. For dryness and discomfort, choose aloe vera. For general sluggishness, choose broth. And for foundational hydration, choose the warm salt water. Prepare it simply. Drink it within the recommended window before sleep. Commit to this gentle ritual for at least 5 to 7 nights. Remember, consistent calm signaling is infinitely more powerful than any one-time intense intervention. If you are ready to leave behind the cycle of bloat and stagnation and to learn how to partner with your body's own elegant rhythms for gentle, effective digestion, then I invite you to stay with this channel. Subscribe for more insights that prioritize harmony and intelligence over force and conflict. Now, I'd like to know from you, which of these 5 nighttime signals does your gut need most right now? Is it number 1 for gas relief, number 2 for nerve calm, number 3 for lubrication, number 4 for repair, or number 5 for hydration? Write the number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 in the comments below. Your choice helps guide our community, because digestive waste leaves the body most effectively not when the gut is forced into panic, but when it is calmly, respectfully, and intelligently supported to do the job it was designed to do. And that supportive process can begin with a single, simple cup tonight.